I am about to make a really bad decision, I think. And once again, if Molly was here, she would talk me out of it. But I didn't bring her with me, so I'm on my own. I was really dreading this trip for some reason, but it went pretty smooth. Most of the stuff stayed in the back. And this car, the more I look at it, is in worse shape than I thought. Kind of like nothing here. It's like I bought an engine. Supposedly this is the original engine. And I'm gonna look up this VIN. See what it's supposed to be. Wonder if it was a white car. That'd be cool. 1960 Bel Air, baby. We put this on last night. The front wheels were locked up. We drug it up, and I wasn't sure why, but we just dealt with it and got it up. And the reason they're locked up is because the wheel was hitting the caliper. Because these are the old original 14-inch wheels. All right, so I'm going to pull the calipers off. I'm going to say it one more time. I'm going to go ahead and pull the calipers off. I'm going to pull the calipers off. Charge, battery, Today was a good day. Every day's a good day. But today was an exceptionally good day because I remembered to bring the trimmer with the battery and the battery charger. And so I was able to trim around the camper, and that made me happy. On top of that, getting the Bel Air off of the trailer went really good. Went really smooth. It does help having tires with air in them. So I'm going to do a quick walk around the car. This is a 1960 Bel Air with a 283 that has been rebuilt. It's got disc brakes. All this stuff is aftermarket. The engine is the original to the original engine of the car, according to the guy I bought it from. I still need to look up the numbers, but I think that's the original engine, and I'm totally digging these red tips that he put on the fan. I think the disc brakes are going to be good. I got to still kind of finish it up. It's got a power brake unit that goes in it. He rebuilt the generator, and he said he rebuilt the engine. I don't know for sure, but that's where there's no distributor cap. So, okay. This car is, in my opinion, in really poor condition. The plan was, or is actually, to go and get a donor car from Nebraska, about an hour and a half from our farm. The donor car is a 1960 Biscayne, and supposedly it's got good quarters, All the metal on it is, according to the guy, again, that I bought it from, everything's in good shape on the donor car. It has no glass or interior because there was a grass fire and it melted the windows and melted the interior. So I imagine that it melted the paint off the car. But everything that's rusted out on this car, he told me, is good on that car. I am thinking that I don't want to make it a donor car. I want to get both of these vehicles back up and running and then try to find a donor car that has been wrecked or something, because I'm not going to, if the Biscayne's body is as good as the guy tells me, I'm not going to start chopping it up. I'll just make that one run as well. I don't even know if it has an engine. I'm assuming it has an engine, probably 6-cylinder, which would be super cool. This car, really everything, like even this is the trunk lid, even that has like a weird dent in it. But so maybe I could pull the Biscayne trunk lid and put it on here, and then put this one on the Biscayne. I don't know. We'll see, and I'm not sure when I'm going to go get that. I'm planning on getting it before winter. I don't have anywhere to put it, but I'm digging this car, even if it's just going to be sitting here. So it needs new floor pans. It needs a dashboard. The doors, the dashboard, the hood, the fenders, the radiator support, all that stuff is in that guy's yard. I'm going to go get all that stuff in the next week or 2 or 3. Bunch of parts out here. None of it in good shape. Here's I guess that's the trunk lid. Hood, fenders, doors. Grill is not good, but he's got a good grill. A donor car, I'm hoping, has a good dash, because this one's kind of shot. Fender wells. My plan is to put everything back on the car. I'm going to put all the trim on. I'm going to put everything that I have back on this car and try to get it and just see what I have. I don't want to even start to try to do body work on this thing, and I'm not sure that I want to do body work, but I think it'd be really cool just to get it all back together, and then I can try to patch some of these rusty panels, and then try to find another donor car that has glass interior. I don't know. It's a long way off, and it's going to be a lot of work, but I'm kind of in shock that I even brought the thing home. I don't know what's wrong with me. Why would I buy something like this? So maybe you guys can give me some encouragement and help talk me off the ledge of how impossible a project this is, and why would a person of sound mind, which I guess I'm not, buy a car like this. So hope you guys are doing good. I hope you find some kind of entertainment out of this vehicle, because the more I look at it, the more scared I get. So thanks for watching this, and we will talk to you very soon.